Want to know how to use arrays in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily start using arrays. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up any Java compiler, which could be online or your application itself. Now once you're there, right now we have this current code right here. We will be describing how arrays work and how to use them. So first things first, we create an array fruits right here with 3 string values. Instead of writing system.out.println, which we usually do again and again, we use a for loop. It runs from 0 to 1. On each loop, fruits I prints out one fruit. You can see right here. So output will be apple, banana, then mango. So arrays equals to one variable holding many items, as you can see right here. So it's under a bracket and it holds various strings like apple, banana, mango. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.